Incidentally, there appear to have been a few things which make us extremely worried about the state of affairs in Pakistan. And these are facts. I'm not even being sarcastic. Please, viewers, their Prime Minister has instructed people to harvest locusts and sell them to earn money. This has actually been instructed as a result of a cabinet meeting in Pakistan. Secondly, they picked up 2 terrorists and said they were Indian spies. They've gone mad till the Lashkar came complaining and said these are our people. And then, of course, Karachi's been going on blackouts because they think the Indians are coming and they're going to be attacking us. And there have been official letters given that Karachi is going to remain on blackout between 9 o'clock and 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't know. Now, the fourth thing happens, 2 Indian officials go to the airport in the morning at 8:30 and then they are picked up and abducted. And they say, we're not going to return them. And now they've returned them. Then they say there was an accident at 8:30 in the morning. We are asking them, Sushant, where was the accident? Who was hurt? Who was hurt? They say they don't need to show us any evidence. What's going on with the Pakistanis?
Number one, you know, this loudmouth who was on your show earlier, it's a sub judice case if a case is registered in a court. Has the case been registered in a court? Has a charge sheet been filed? How is it sub judice then? Number one. But forget this guy. It's not even important. I think the more important thing is what has happened. And to my mind, you know, we can keep talking about that, you know, we issued a démarche. The Pakistanis had no choice but to release these people. But the fact of the matter is, let us for a moment, for the sake of argument, there was an accident. Even if there is an accident, the police, as soon as they would have come to the accident site, they would have noticed that these are people who are attached to the Indian, they are members of the Indian High Commission. Their first job is to inform the Indian High Commission that such and such a thing has happened, not keep quiet for 12 hours. And then have Indians issue them démarche after démarche, number one. So there was a complete violation of the protocols just there. Secondly, the Pakistanis, and you know, look, I could go into Punjabi and give you a couple of jokes about how, you know, the Pakistanis have reacted clumsily, but that's also not important. What is important is that we have to be very clear what they have done has to be retaliated in full measure, in more than full measure. That is the only way they will understand this. So next time one of the Pakistani diplomats is going somewhere, some accident should happen. His car should be smashed up in that accident. He should be taken incognito for the next 12, not 12, because they've taken the guys for 12 hours. Take them for 14 or 16 hours and keep them out there incognito, incommunicado. And that is the treatment that has to be meted out. Until and unless you do this tit for tat, I'm afraid we are going to be barking up the wrong tree. You can keep congratulating yourself that they released them after our démarche. They had to release them anyhow. But the fact of the matter is that they would have certainly mistreated those guys. And I suspect that they would not have been able to extract any kind of a confession from these people, which was the original objective. So they have levied this clumsy charge of an accident. Now, that is what has happened. Next time, I think it's now the ball is in our court. We should catch hold of this Haider Abbas or whatever that joker's name is, who went to the Indian Foreign Office today. He or one of his underlings should be picked up. The same treatment should be meted out. Their cars should be smashed. They can afford another BMW. These buggers can't.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you know, this is going to cost them dearly. What have they achieved? Raja, why are you shouting? Why can't you hear what Sushant said? Feeling insecure?
I'm
feeling unwell already?
Let the law take its course.
Which law?
How original?
FIR is in front of us. They have the FIR. They have the FIR.
Under which law were they booked?
The case would continue in the courts.
Tell us the number.
Police station.
अरे सर कौन सा लॉ पाकिस्तान का कौन सा लॉ कौन सा सेक्शन के तहत ये हुआ है?
You know the matter of greater concern, Mateen and Kamar, is the depth to which Pakistan has fallen.